Hey guys, we've been living in our van for the last 10 months and we've come to love some features more than others, and in today's video we're going to go through 7 things that we love the most about our van. The first one we're going to show you is our outdoor shower with hot water. We actually have a shower inside the van that we use quite regularly, but this outdoor shower is more for when we're at the beach, you want to wash off salty water, or if it's just really hot and you want to have a cool shower outside. We don't use it that often. We haven't had that many hot days actually, so we're hoping in the future we will get to use it a lot more. We don't have like a shower curtain that goes around the outside. This is more just to wash off salt water and easy use. Dani likes the hot water because she can't deal with cold water, but there was also, we wanted to change this fitting because it is a bit of a pain to change it all the time. It's been 10 months, we haven't actually got around to it. I think this is part of van life, isn't it? You plan on doing a lot of things and they just never happen.
Number 2 is our table. This table is really great. We wanted to make it big so we could both sit here and work at the same time. It also moves a lot, so it gives us the flexibility of working from different places, having dinner here as well. And when we're not using it, we can put it away. The table is from a brand called Lagoon, and it basically has 2 arms. One that is attached to our bench and it never moves, it's always there. And another arm that is attached to the table itself and it comes out with the table, and then the 2 arms connect, making it the table.
Next up is our roof fans. We've got 2 of them and they're from Max Air Fan. We have one above the bed and we have one above kind of like the kitchen area. The reason why we went for 2 is that we have one sucking air in and another sucking air out, and if we open up the side window it allows even more air getting sucked into our van. And it's kind of another reason why we didn't want to go for having an air conditioner, is that these 2 fans are more than enough. Air conditioning uses way too much power. We free camp as much as possible and we didn't want to go to caravan parks and rely on having to plug into a power point. An added bonus of having one in the kitchen area is it sucks out all of the fumes when we are cooking. The fans come with a turning knob that allows you to open and close the rain shield, and it comes with 8 speeds, sucking air in and sucking air out. There is a version that's called Deluxe where it comes with a remote. We don't have that version though.
Next is our swivel seat. Now we only have one swivel seat installed in the van, and that's on the passenger side because it wouldn't make any sense to install a swivel seat on the driver's side because our bench is behind it. And we wanted a swivel seat because when we turn the seat around it just makes the whole place feels bigger. We can also use the extension bench that we have in the kitchen as a working space, and the cats, especially Gatinha, love to sleep here when the seat is turned around at night. Bought the swivel seat from a place called Remo, Australia, and we paid $584 at the time, but you can see everything that we spent in the van in our video, how much our van build cost.
Next up we've got a sliding table in a storage system we have in the back here. Super convenient for us, we use it so much. So we set up camping chairs on each side and we can have dinner outside and enjoy a view. Dani likes to read a lot of books, so she'll come out here and just kind of sit on it. The weight limit is 227 kilos. It could hold both of our weights. We're probably never ever going to try this because I don't want to break it and have another headache. And we also kind of use it as a workbench. So this top half here is work tools or more storage stuff, so we can take things out and put them onto the bench. And the bench top that we have here is actually the same as what we have inside our kitchen on the bench top there.
The 6th item on our list of the 7 things that we love the most in our van is our overhead storage. Now we built this one ourselves and it was a lot of work, but I'm so glad we did. I don't think you'll be able to tell, but we can fit a lot of stuff in here. All of our spare clean sheets, towels, all of our heavy winter clothes, they all stay here. And before we built this, there was nothing here, so it would be a dead space if we didn't build it. Living in such a small space, every room counts.
Last but not least is our toilet. I don't think we could do van life without a toilet. We have a composting toilet from Nature's Head, so there's 2 compartments. There's one for your solids and then there's one for the liquids. The liquid side, you open up and there's 2 little holes inside. So you've got to aim. Men and women have to sit, always. For the number 2s, you open up the chute, do your business, close up the chute, turn the handle so it kind of, you know, mulches it up a little bit. We clean the pee side roughly every 2 days, depending on how much water we drunk. And on the number 2 side, probably around 4 to 5 weeks, again, depending how much we use it. There's also a fan that sucks out all of the bad smells, not that there are any smells, outside through the floor of the van. For the composting section, when we do our number 2s, we use a coconut core that we get from Bunnings. We fill it up half and then you're really pretty much good to go. And that's the 7 things that we love the most about our van. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll answer anything you have.
And if you want to see more of our van, make sure you watch our van tour, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you guys later.
Bye.